everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to share with you guys a quick haul that I did. We're getting ready to go out of town on vacation and I had to grab, well, I didn't probably have to, but a lot of the stuff I feel like I needed, but some of the stuff I just grabbed because we're going out of town, we're going to the beach, and I kind of wanted to be prepared. So I went ahead and picked those items up, but I did realize in the process I think I still forgot the sunscreen, and there was something else I can't even remember now, but there was still some items I forgot. So it's kind of like no matter how much I try to prepare, I still always miss something. But let me go ahead and show you guys what I got in this haul. I went to a couple of different stores, so I'll share the first one with you, which was Target. And I got a couple of things like here and there and just kind of collected them and wanted to show you guys what I got. One of the first items I got, and my daughter doesn't know that I got this yet, but I got her the Dork Diaries book because we are going to be driving, and it's, I mean, I don't even know how many hours it is, but it's a long drive from Texas to Florida. So I needed something for my kiddos to do because I don't want them on the laptop or the iPad the whole entire time, and my daughter does love to read, so I got her this one. This is the, I guess, the number 12, and this is the most recent one that came out. If you guys have little ones that are into this series, this is the new one that just came out, and she was so excited when she heard that I might get this for her, so she doesn't know it yet, and I'm gonna sneak it into her bag. I plan to have bags for each of the girls filled with like things for them specifically to do, and I might do a video for that. Let me know if you guys are interested, and I will go ahead and do that video. But I plan to have a bag for the girls that has like little activities and to do things in there for them, so this was one of the items I was going to put in there. Okay, and this next item is one of these mess free coloring by Crayola, and this one is like the Disney princesses, and then it has like all these different pages on the back that they can color, and it says it has 18 coloring pages and 5 markers. And it's mess free, so supposedly it doesn't like get on your clothes or on their hands or anything, so I really like that, so I got one of those. My daughter needs a floaty, my little one, because she can't swim that well, so I got her this animal one from Target, and I think this one was only like maybe, I think it was like $2.99. It was not expensive at all. And I did get my girls these matching tops, and these are by Cat and Jack. They are just swimsuit tops, but they're long sleeve so that they can put over their swimsuits. And just whenever it's like really hot, I don't want them to get burned, so I really like the fact that it has like the long sleeves on it. So I got each of them one of those. Okay, and I also got each of them one of these Speedo sun, what are these called? Goggles. So I got them a Speedo's goggles, and I did actually buy one from the Dollar Tree, and it's junk, so kind of don't waste your money on that. At least I didn't have a good experience, and I bought 2 of them, so just FYI. The next item I got was this drawstring little backpack, and it just has this really cute design on it of like watermelon slices, hearts. I just thought it was really cute, and I kind of want to use this like a wet bag for my daughter whenever she goes swimming. We just went swimming at a friend's house, and I only have one wet bag for my older daughter, and we kind of had to stuff everything in there, so I would like for them to each have one in case we're at 2 different places on top of that and they need their own wet bag to carry their towel and any wet clothing or items and just stick them in the bag. Okay, and the last item I got from Target was this really cute little lemon. I don't know why, but my eyes were drawn to this when I saw it. It's just a lemon. It's got a flat part on the side, so it just sits on its side, but I have like the perfect spot for this lemon sitting next to my coffee maker on the cutting board. Okay, and the next place I went to was Ross. I got only a couple of things from there, so let me show you. Okay, so I picked up this shirt, and it just says love to smile, and it was for $3.99, and I love like it's bright pink, and then it has like the silvery decals on it, so I thought that was really cute. And then the other shirt I got was also for $3.99, and it just says Big Sister on it. And I got this for my 10-year-old. Okay, so I went to Bath and Body Works also, and I got just 3 little things, okay guys. So I got, someone gave me a gift card, so I went there right away. I got this Love and Sunshine lotion, body lotion, and it looks like this. And it caught my eye because it's like yellow and bright, and I love those colors, so it smells really good. Okay, I'm missing one of my body sprays, but it is, what is the name of it? I'll have to find it. I'll be right back. Okay, so the other body spray I got was Hello Beautiful. Okay, so I've had this one before, and this one smells really good. And the last one I got was this itty bitty tiny little one, and this is Wild Rose and Apple, and this one smells amazing. If you guys have not tried this one, they were completely sold out. I went scavenging through everything, and this was the only thing I could find. They don't have any lotions left, body sprays, nothing. So this was all I could find, so I'm waiting for them to restock, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get me another one of these. Last place I went to was Walmart, and I picked up a couple of items from there, and this really pretty hat was one of the items I picked up, and it was only $2. And this is what it looks like. This is the design. It's like a floral design, and I thought it was really pretty. I don't know if you guys watched my fishing video, but we go fishing quite a lot, so I went ahead and I needed a hat, so I got this one. With summer in and a little girl, you can't go wrong with overalls, and I had been on the hunt for some overalls. I really wanted the darker denim, but they didn't have my daughter's size. This is for my 5-year-old, so I ended up finding this one, and I think this was like $13, $12.94. So I thought it was cute still. I like the little flowers on the edge here. Yeah, so I think overalls on little girls are so cute. Okay, so the next couple of items I got were for them for our trip next week, and I just got a pack of 48 crayons and some markers as well. And this is just for coloring during the car ride. And then of course I purchased a box to put them in, because the one we have here, I kind of want it to stay here, but it also is broken. It has a big crack down the middle. Okay, and the last couple of items I got were more for hair care products. And so I got this. This is by, I don't know how you say that, OGX. OGX? Okay, I don't know how to say this brand. Let me know in the comments below. But the OGX brand. So this is sulfate free. This is a tea tree mint shampoo. And I got it because I know tea tree oil is good for like fighting bacteria and stuff. And I have like dry patches in my hair. Like I have like really bad dandruff. I know it's probably TMI, but I don't know how else to battle it. And I feel like maybe this might help before I jump to like a dandruff shampoo. So anyways, I wanted to give this one a try. Okay, and the next one I got was this coconut. It's by the same brand, and it's called Coconut Curls Conditioner, and I heard a lot of good things about this one. So I had a lot of good things about this one, and this one I actually plan to use like a leave-in conditioner for my girls. They both have curly hair as well as I have like a more of a wavy hair, a beachy wavy hair on a good day. So I have a lot more bad days than good days with my hair. So a lot of times you'll see me have to curl it or wear it straight, because it's so much maintenance and I just can't get it right. So even this, I'm gonna give this a try on my hair as well. But for the most part, my girls both have curly hair, and I definitely want to try this as a leave-in conditioner. And the last product that I got was this Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Cream. And I really have enjoyed this product. It's making my hair super soft. My hair is naturally curly. So far, this has been working really good. You apply this to like a wet, damp hair, and then you just scrunch up the curls. And the curls have been holding too. So for the most part, most of the day it holds through. My daughters, I feel like as soon as their hair kind of like dries up, it's still it kind of becomes like a little bit frizzy, and I'm trying to find the right product to like tame that, but this has done a great job so far for most of the day. And over here in Texas, we have very humid weather, so it's kind of hard to work with that and curly hair. But that's everything in my haul. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.